What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see right now, we have the hardtop removed off of our wild track over here. This is the first time I've actually had it off, so thought I'd just start this video by going ahead and showing you. As you know, I have the Inazitec Nardo Gray wrap on this car. The original color is Cyber Orange, so you can see up there got the nice roll cage and all that, or the roll bar, whatever you want to call it, is still Cyber Orange. That's why I wanted to go ahead and get the bead lock rings coated Cyber Orange as well. That way, you know, they kind of contrast each other and accent each other. So what we're going to be doing today is a quick video. We're going to be installing a Bimini top, bikini top, whatever you want to call it, sunshade on the Bronco. A lot of options out there, a lot of more expensive options out there. What we're going to be doing is installing a cheap one today. This bikini top was only about $50. It's right in here. Most of them are a mesh one. This is actually canvas. So I purchased this one off of Amazon. It was only $60. It comes with like the bungee cords that you attach on all the corners. I know there's, like I said, a bunch of videos out there, but everyone's installed the mesh one. So I wanted to purchase the canvas one, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this for you. I don't know the quality, you know, typically you get what you pay for, but 60 bucks, I was like, hey, whatever, I'll give it a shot, you know, save 200 bucks or so. But I can't see how it's going to be all too terrible. It'll probably be a little bit flappy in the wind, but I don't plan on driving with the roof off like at highway speeds or anything. This is just going to be for, you know, putting around town anyway. So let's go ahead and get this installed and check it out. So the hardware you get are these bungee cords that have the little ball on it, and then you also get these things that thread into up here. So you remove the stock little Torx bit, and then you go ahead and you screw these on there, and then these will wrap around it like so, and then that's what secures it on there. And then in other locations you just more or less loop this around the bar. But I'll go ahead and I'll show you how everything gets installed once I get all these bolts installed. So the instructions aren't super clear online, but go ahead and install one here and here. Those two, the bolts are already like accessible. So here, and then two right there, then two right there. And then you go ahead and you thread it from the inside where the ball's at, loop it through here, and then just connect it right over there. So got to go ahead, connect those up there. Then we got 4 that go along the front as well, and then we should be done. It's pretty simple. All right, so I actually ran out of daylight yesterday, so go ahead and finish the video today. But the canopy is all installed. You can see right up there. It's really simple to do. It takes about, you know, 10 minutes. So let me jump up here and show you. So attaches up here to the sides right up there. Same over here, right there, and then up front. So all back here seems pretty tight. The weak point is definitely going to be right up there. That's going to cause a lot of flapping. I am going to go ahead and take you guys for a quick little test drive so we can see firsthand how much it actually is going to flap. But I really wish they would have put like another grommet here, and then 2 more bungees that would attach to right up here. I feel like that would have pulled it a little bit tighter and probably would have, you know, helped with some of the flapping. What I also did up here is I double looped, you know, the bungee cord. So like typically you see right there, it's just like one. I went ahead, just double looped it just so there was a little bit more tension. And then up here, it's supposed to just be like the clip that attaches, but what I actually did was ran it through here and then attached the clip to it like on the inside. Or what you could do is just like loop it through, and then you can, you know, just stick it through the ball again. That way, you know, it has a little bit more tension as well. When I first put it on there with just using the little connection on there, it was way too much slack and it was sagging. So at least this way, you know, it's pulled nice and tight. But again, I really wish they would have just gave us an extra grommet there. So I think what I might actually do is figure out how I can put like an extra grommet here and here, and then get 2 more of these bungee cords, and then, you know, just tighten it together. But, you know, for $60, I don't expect, the best of the best. But let's go ahead and take it for a quick test drive and see how it performs. So like I kind of presumed, this thing is definitely gonna flap around a lot. And the weak point is right here. I think anyway, if there was another grommet here and here and it's secured in 2 more places in the middle, that would hold it down a little bit more, because as you can see, like that, as you're driving, the wind's getting in underneath here and it's just kind of lifting the rest of the canopy. So you get like a pretty aggressive flapping. Now again, this whole, top was only 60 bucks. So I, already assumed like that was going to be the issue. Like I mentioned before, I did go ahead and like double loop some of these just to have a little bit more tension like on the bungee cords, which does seem to help a little bit with holding it down. But yeah, as you can see, that's just kind of creating like a big opening right there, and wind's getting in underneath it and it's causing it to flap. But again, 60 bucks, it's it's what I presumed was going to be. You get what you pay for. It's not like it's a $300 Bimini that's really strapped down there secure. But like I said, I think I'm going to add like 2 more grommets and get some more of these bungees to try and just like secure it right here anyway, so it pulls it a little bit more down and has more tension. And I really think that's going to help it out. But yeah, I mean, for 60 bucks, I can't complain. It does its job. And again, I'm not like going to be driving around long trips like this. This is just kind of for putting around town. So for stuff like that, I think this is perfectly fine. All right, so like I had said, it definitely does flap in the wind a little bit, and if those 2 grommets were just up there, I personally believe that it would just tighten it all down again. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do and jerry rig something, and if I come up with a good solution, I'll update you guys in another video. But as for now, I'm super happy with it. I don't know if it's gonna work with installing the hardtop back on there, but again, I'll let you guys know if it does or not. So yeah, for 60 bucks, I can't complain. It is what it is. It does its job and it looks great, and it gives me a little bit of extra shade when I have, the top off. So yeah, super happy with it. I love the way the Bronco looks with the top off now, with the accent colors and all that. So you can kind of see my vision for what I was going for. But yeah, the first round of mods, I'd say, for the Bronco have been completed. I'm going to enjoy it now. I still do want to go ahead and do the bumper, but the rear bumper anyway, but that's going to be in the next round of mods. So far, what we've done is we've installed the Flowmaster FX exhaust. We obviously did the Inozitech Nardo Gray wrap, Cyber Orange beadlock rings up there. Obviously the shade that we were talking about in this video. We installed the SVC pre-runner style front bumper. We did the knockoff Baja Design lights up here. Did the Bronco LED Raptor style lights. Then we also did the Roush cold air intake, and we did the Bomba Racing blow-off valve adapter. So, we've done quite a bit of work to the Bronco in the short amount of time that we've had it. I absolutely love this thing. Super fun, car to work on, and, it's a blast to drive. So, yeah, I think for the next round of mods, we're going to be doing some suspension upgrades. Probably do a 1-inch level in the front, some 37, some upper control arms, the rear bumper, and then we might be pulling the trigger and finally going with some fiber. So we'll see. But yeah, I need to give the TRX back there a little bit of love, since she's been kind of jealous that I've been spending so much time on the Bronco. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the build. Give me some suggestions on other things that you'd like to see me do. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next time. Later.